The sneaker has surfaced ahead of summer in a color scheme and block that resembles the brand's other UNC to Chicago retros. With the release of the Fearless Retro in the autumn of 2019, the idea, which was influenced by Michael Jordan's path from the University of North Carolina to the NBA, has given rise to a variety of Air Jordans. The idea has been created in both men's and women's styles, and the most recent version is now available in sizes for the former customer. The sneaker's mixed materials upper is largely finished in a crisp white to set the tone for other details that are reminiscent of Tar Heels and Bulls. While ruby-colored tones land on the top of the tongue and outsole, vibrant university blue flare animates the upper spine. Though simple, the presentation has a strong cultural foundation. Take a look at the most recent UNC to Chicago pair's official look. Before the summer ends, the Jordan 2/3 should be available on Nike.com and other online shops. SRP is $160 US.